Welcome back to the lesson of Microsoft Word. In this lesson, we're going to learn about the extra tools and insert. Well, in the previous lesson, I've shown you tables, illustration, and also symbols, but not most of them. So in this lesson, I'm going to show you pages, add-ins, media, links, comment, header, footer, and text. So first off, we're going to go through pages. As you can see in the pages tool, there is cover page, blank page, and page break. So first off, I'm going to start off with the cover page. When you click on cover page, you can see you can select whichever cover page you want to use. So let's say I'm going to use this, and you can see this is going to be the cover page, and here it's going to start from the first page. Okay, so this is how the cover page actually works. Okay, now the next one is going to be blank page. If you want a blank page in between your document, just click on this blank page and another blank page will be created in between your document. And if you want to like a page break in between a page, what you can do is just click on it and select on page break, and the page is going to break in between. Okay, so this is how you will be able to use all of these tools in Microsoft Word. Now I'm going to show you add-ins and how add-ins actually work. Well, add-ins are actually extensions which you can apply by using the internet. Okay, so when you click on get add-ins, it will take you to this Office add-ins, and you can see that you will be able to see that there are a lot of extensions which you will be able to use. Let's say one of them which I want to use is going to be Easy Syntax Highlighter. So I'm just going to click on add, and it will just continue, and you will see that after a while it's just going to be applied to your your Microsoft Word. So as you can see that Easy Syntax Highlighter has been added. So what you can do is go over here and highlight selection, then you can highlight whichever word you want. Let's say I'm going to select on it, highlight selection, then you can see that it has been directly applied. See, this is like really easy, but if you like select the text and then highlight selection, and you will see it will be highlighted directly. So this is how actually extension work. Well, there are a lot of these extensions which you will be able to use by getting to this Office add-in store. Well, there are a lot more of them according to the category. You can see editor's pick, education, communication, best apps of the year. Okay, well, all of them are like according to their category. Let's say utilities, that is also according to their, as you can see that I also have Quillbot over here, which save times, immediately improve your writing with Quillbot's paraphrasing and summarizing tool. Okay, so you can like apply or use any one of those and then start using them. Okay, as I don't need any of them anymore, so I'm going to delete them, and I don't want any of those, so I'm just gonna delete it. Okay, and now what I'm gonna show you is gonna be click on my add-ins. When you click on my add-ins, it's gonna open up your add-ins which you have over here in your Microsoft Word. So as you can see that I have 5 of them over here, which is gonna be Wikipedia, Quillbot, just so you can see, and just as I applied right now, Easy Syntax Highlighter, then Hypatia, and then PDF Filer. Okay, so these are my extensions. So whenever you download or use your extension, it's gonna appear right over here. And if you want to go to the store, you can just go to the store from here again, and you can also manage your and you can like delete them however you want to. That's going to be up to you how we're going to do it. Okay, next we have is Wikipedia. Well, Wikipedia is just an extension which I like downloaded. Well, you can use Wikipedia right from here. You just have to stay connected to the internet, and you will be able to let's type in something. Let's type in Sakura. After you type in Sakura, and I'm gonna click on search, and all of the info about Sakura is gonna appear right over here. Okay, so this is how it actually works, or extensions actually works. So it's like a net service which you can get from browsers, but you're gonna get directly from Microsoft Word just by staying connected to the internet and also your Microsoft account. Now what we have here is going to be online videos or medias. Okay, so medias allows you to add videos or maybe photos, just as you can see over here, but I'm going to add an online video just for an example. So I'm going to click on online videos, and it's going to show me the URL of the online link. So first off, what you can do is, let's say I'm going to search for a video or maybe get a link of it. So now I have one of a video which I can use. So I'm going to do is paste the URL which I need. So I'm going to press an insert, And if you can see that if it does not support, well, it's going to show up like that. But you're going to search for, or maybe, URL or embedded code of the online video, so you can like apply it over here and then press on insert, and your video will be directly applied. Okay, next we have is going to be link, bookmark, and cross reference. So according to that, when you click on link, it's going to open up the hyperlink interface, which you can use in your Microsoft document. Okay, Microsoft Word document, or maybe even, let's say Word. It also works in Word, Excel, and also presentation, PowerPoint presentation. Well, you can see this is existing file or web page. Let's say I'm gonna do is this is existing file or web page, so you can like apply it over here. If you want to do email, you can select from here, create new document, that is also over here, and place in this document appears to be, or it works only in the document or like selected pages. Existing file is going to be over here. So if you want to like press the address, let's say I'm gonna paste it like this, and you can like change the text to display. I'm gonna like delete it. I'm gonna GG and press OK, and I'm gonna keep it like this, and I'm gonna do is select on it. I'm gonna do is open hyperlink, and it's gonna take me directly to this link which I have over here, a man carrying his bike, which is gonna be over here. Okay, so just ignore that, and you can see over here that I have a link of the video which is going to be over here. Okay, so this is how you will be able to use links in Microsoft Word and how it actually works. Next we have is bookmark. If you want to bookmark anything, you can just click on this bookmark and you will be able to save it. Let's say you can add the name, you can add the description, just click on add, and it will be bookmarked. Okay, now we have other stuff such as cross-reference, which most of the time does not appear up, but you can just click on it, and you can like use this cross-reference however you want to. Let's say reference type should be bookmark, and insert, and that will be how you can use it as a cross-reference. Okay, so this, if you want to use cross-reference, you can use that. You can add comments on each and everything you want to. Let's say I want to add comment here. You can just select on it and just add in your comment just like you want to. Okay, so I'm just gonna skip it. Okay, so, and if you want to add in header and footer, that is also up to you. Let's say you want header and footer, and you can select the type of header and footer you want to apply. Let's say I'm going to select on this, and you can see that this is the cover page. I don't have number here, but I have number over here, right? So this is how you will be able to use your header and footer, and according to your just your cover page, and this is going to be the first page, and this is going to be, then we're going to start from the second page, and however it works. Then we have is also page number, which is going to be the footer of the page. Select on it. Let's say I want it at the bottom of the page, so I'm going to select on whichever one I want. Let's say I want it to something look like this. Now you can see that 1, 2, and then it's going to continue. Okay, but this is the cover page, so you don't have to worry about this one. I'm going to do is close header and footer, and that is going to be it. I'm going to go to insert, and you can see that the last ones, which is going to be is the text boxes and the equations. So if you want to like add in text boxes, click over here and add in your text box just like this, and you will be able to add your text over here. Just delete it and start typing in your own type of text just as you want. And as this is also a shape, you can just change it however you want to. You can see the shape format option appears directly up. Let's say I don't want any outlines, so which I most of the time do because I don't like actually outlines. So I'm gonna do is you can change the fill, you can change the size, you can change the format however you want. So this is how text box actually works, but you can also make or draw a text box. Let's say, let's see, a text box has been drawn. So I'm just gonna delete it. Just click on the outlines and press delete, and it will be deleted. You can also do the same thing over here, delete, and it has been deleted. Okay, so as you don't want any of those, just delete them. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is go to insert again and show you another method of those tools. Okay, we have over here is going to be explore quick parts. Then we have is word art, which is like very useful. Let's say you want to like format your text to look a bit different, so click on whichever one you want, and when you type on it, it will appear just like it appears on the preview. Okay, which is also quite useful. Then we also have is the signature line. Then we also have date and time, and at the end we can also see objects. When you click on objects, you can apply any objects or any icons which you can see in your Microsoft. Okay, just press OK, and it will appear just right up. See, presentation has opened up. But if you don't want any of those, just click on escape, and it will just get out of it. Then you can add date and time just like you want, just whichever format you want, and it will be applied. Okay, press on OK, and you can see the same time has been applied. And another thing is that when you are like opening up the document, it will update the time according to your CMOS battery. And in equation, you can see that there is going to be equations over here, and when you open up equation, there is going to be a lot of those tools which you will be able to use to do the math equations. Okay, select whichever one you want and you will be able to use it. So as I don't want this lesson to be getting any complex, so I'm just going to skip those. And from here, you can just follow these steps by and you can just get all the results just as you want. Okay, so hope you guys like understood everything on the extensions or the extra tools of insert. Okay, you can try all of these and then also discover some stuff on your own and practice it on your own. So thank you for watching this video.